You're going to be brushing your skin here as we do this next story. Louisville's health department is collecting tick samples and asking for your help.
WDRB's Darby Bean and photojournalist Jeff Gordon show us how this program could help you if you have issues with a tick bite.
So far, more than 50 tick samples have been submitted to the health department, and it's here inside this lab where their species is determined and logged.
Different ticks carry different types of diseases.
And that's exactly why the experts are putting them under the microscope, zooming in on all the tiny details, even counting rows of teeth and flipping through paperwork to determine where certain types of ticks are being found in Jefferson County.
But knowing the types of ticks tells us the potential for different types of diseases in different areas.
That includes things like Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever.
Most of the ticks that I see are Lone Star ticks, and based on what people are bringing in, it's still Lone Star ticks.
According to the CDC, Lone Star ticks do not cause Lyme disease, but there are 6 different types of ticks in Kentucky, according to the expert at Metro Health, Matthew Vanderpool, and he's working to keep the public informed. This year, a new program started called Spot a Tick and Share. Community members across Louisville who find a tick or are bitten by one are asked to put the sample in a sealed container with rubbing alcohol and take it to the health department. Vanderpool's goal is to make a map of where these are found across the city.
And this isn't a program that we plan on doing just this year. We want to add to this year by year by year.
As tick samples continue to come into the lab, each one is getting closely examined and data is recorded. One step closer to eventually creating that map, letting people know where certain types of ticks are across Jefferson County. Darby Bean, WDRB News.
The health department is thankful for the dozens of samples submitted so far, but says some samples have not been submitted correctly, so they can't even be used. If you want to submit a tick sample, remember it must be put in a container with a lid and covered in rubbing alcohol. Ziploc bags do not work, and without that rubbing alcohol in there, the ticks will get too brittle and break apart when being examined. There's also a form to fill out online to let the department know where exactly you found that tick.